Right, compression test time on the 500 XL. All right, we've got all our plugs out. Wires off. A lot of these actually broke because they're cheap junk. Wires are out. We're ready to compression test. 150, cylinder 1. 155, cylinder 2. Cylinder 3, 150. 148, cylinder 4. Cylinder 5, 152. Cylinder 6, about 158. Huh? No way, it's already 1 o'clock. Oh my God. Nice. Cylinder number 7 was 135. This actually was a really oily cylinder on our plugs. Yeah, let's give it a squirt of oil. So we put a little oil in there. Went right up to about 155, 158. So like, yeah, Wick's saying the rings are kind of weak.
The rings is no good.
No es bueno, sir. Let's check number 8. Yeah, let's try some oil on this. We got 145 out of number 8. It was really oily on the plug as well. So we're gonna put a little oil in there and see what we got. Cylinder 8 with oil, it crested at 185 and went back down to about 182. This now concludes our compression test.